Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you drink rosemary tea every day? You probably know it as just a simple kitchen spice, but rosemary is much more than that. It's a true super spice that has been used for centuries in both cooking and medicine, offering a wide array of health benefits. Today, I'm going to reveal the surprising reasons why you should start incorporating it into your daily routine. But wait, there's a particular reason why rosemary is becoming a key player in the fight against neurodegenerative diseases. Stick with us, because by the end, I'll share a secret recipe that could revolutionize your health. Plus, I'll talk about any potential side effects and precautions to consider before using it. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and click the bell so you won't miss out on future tips and secrets about improving your health naturally. I've got so much more useful content coming your way. Now let's get started. Why is rosemary so powerful? Rosemary is a plant with a rich history. It's been used since the times of ancient Rome, and it has earned its place in modern health practices thanks to its incredible medicinal properties. In this video, we're going to explore how rosemary works within your body and how it can improve your quality of life. But there are 10 reasons why you'll be amazed by its effects. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. And by the end, I'll share with you the perfect recipe for rosemary tea that's easy to make at home. So let's jump into the first benefit. Number 1. Improves blood sugar levels. Rosemary tea may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Recent studies have shown that rosmarinic acid, a key compound in rosemary, inhibits pancreatic amylase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down starches into glucose. This helps reduce the risk of hyperglycemia. For people with diabetes or prediabetes, regular consumption of rosemary tea could be an easy way to support better blood sugar control. Imagine sitting down to a meal without worrying about blood sugar spikes. It's a game changer for anyone managing diabetes. So, what's the best part? You don't have to wait long to feel the benefits. Number 2. Boosts blood circulation. Next up, rosemary's role in boosting blood circulation. It's packed with compounds that promote blood vessel dilation, which helps lower blood pressure and improve overall circulation. This means that drinking rosemary tea regularly could support heart health and even brain function by improving the perfusion of vital organs. If you're someone who struggles with poor circulation, adding rosemary tea to your routine could be a simple way to improve your daily wellness. Plus, its cardiovascular benefits could reduce the risk of heart disease. So, what's not to love? Number 3. Relieves digestive issues. Rosemary has been used for centuries as a natural remedy to aid digestion. It's known for its carminative properties, which help ease bloating and gas. If you struggle with indigestion, rosemary tea can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve gut motility. This means less bloating and discomfort after meals. If you've ever suffered from cramping or a bloated stomach, you know how uncomfortable it can be. But with rosemary, you've got a natural solution at your fingertips. Imagine sipping on rosemary tea after a heavy meal to support your digestive system and feel relief almost immediately. Number 4. Enhances brain function. Here's one of the most exciting benefits of rosemary tea: its impact on brain function. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in rosemary can have neuroprotective effects, which could support brain health in the long term. In fact, some preliminary research suggests that rosmarinic acid may even inhibit the oxidative stress linked to Alzheimer's disease. This means that drinking rosemary tea might not only boost memory and concentration in the short term, but it could also help protect your brain against degenerative diseases as you age. Pretty powerful, right? Number 5. Fights inflammation. One of rosemary's standout qualities is its ability to fight inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic health conditions, and rosemary has compounds like rosmarinic acid that can suppress pro-inflammatory cytokines, easing conditions like arthritis and osteoarthritis. So, if you deal with chronic inflammation, adding rosemary tea to your regimen might help calm that flare-up. Number 6. Reduces stress. Let's talk about stress. We all deal with it, but did you know that rosemary can actually help reduce it? Traditionally, rosemary has been used as a tonic for the nervous system. It has a calming effect that can help reduce anxiety and improve mood. Imagine this. You've had a stressful day at work, and you sit down to enjoy a warm cup of rosemary tea. It's a small ritual that can help you unwind and promote emotional well-being. And who wouldn't want that? Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. Rosemary also offers immune-boosting benefits. Research shows that rosmarinic acid can help stimulate immune activity, increasing phagocytosis and improving overall immune response. This makes rosemary tea an excellent choice for supporting your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. If you want to stay healthy and avoid getting sick, incorporating rosemary into your diet could give your immune system a much-needed boost. So why not sip your way to better health? Number 8. Protects the liver. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, and rosemary has been shown to support its health. Studies have found that rosemary can improve liver function and even prevent damage to liver cells. This makes rosemary tea a wonderful option if you're looking to detoxify and protect your liver. We all need a little help in detoxifying from time to time, and rosemary tea can be the natural boost your liver needs to perform its job more effectively. Number 9. Benefits for skin and hair. Rosemary isn't just good for internal health. It can also benefit your external health. Rosemary essential oil is used in skincare for its rejuvenating properties, and it's often used to promote hair growth. Drinking rosemary tea could help improve the appearance of your skin and hair by encouraging cell regeneration and supporting circulation to your scalp. If you've ever wanted glowing skin or thicker, healthier hair, rosemary tea could be a great addition to your daily routine. Plus, you're improving your health from the inside out. Number 10. Protects the eyes. Lastly, rosemary's antioxidant properties help protect your eyes from oxidative damage, which can lead to vision problems as we age. Studies suggest that rosemary may protect against ocular inflammation and support long-term eye health. Drinking rosemary tea regularly could be a simple way to protect your eyesight and keep your eyes healthy as you age. A final gift for you: how to make the perfect rosemary tea. So, now that you know all the amazing benefits of rosemary, you might be wondering how to prepare it properly. Here's how to make the perfect cup of rosemary tea. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves and 240 to 250 milliliters of boiling water. Preparation: bring the water to a boil, lower the heat, and steep the rosemary for 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer, you can add a little honey or another sweetener to taste. Your rosemary tea is now ready to enjoy. Be cautious of side effects and contraindications. While rosemary is generally safe when consumed in moderate amounts, it's important to note a few things. Gastrointestinal issues. Too much rosemary may cause nausea or diarrhea. Allergic reactions. Some people may experience skin rashes or itching. Contraindications. Avoid rosemary during pregnancy, breastfeeding, or if you have conditions like epilepsy or high blood pressure. As always, it's best to consult with your doctor before incorporating new herbs into your routine. How much rosemary tea should you drink? For maximum benefits without overdoing it, aim for 2 to 3 cups of rosemary tea per week. That's the sweet spot for enjoying its health benefits without any risk of side effects. Now you can't miss this. If you found these rosemary benefits helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and click the bell so you never miss another video. Got questions or want to learn more about other natural remedies? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.